If I were a bird, I'd take to the sky, wings spread wide, soaring up high. I'd fly where the wind gently guides my way, through skies of blue and clouds, soft and gray. I'd search for berries, seeds, and worms, flapping my wings as the weather turns. When winter winds blow, I'd know what to do. Fly far to the south with my flock in view. Together we'd fly in a V-shaped line, traveling far from the snow to find the sunshine. We'd rest in forests or in fields near the shore, then take to the sky to journey some more. I'd perch in a tree to build my nest, lining it soft with things I like best: twigs and leaves, feathers and string, a cozy place where I'd safely sing. With friends in the trees, we'd chirp and play, then sleep in our nests at the end of the day. Oh, to be a bird, light as a breeze, floating through skies, over rivers and trees. But for now, I'll just dream and pretend to fly. But if, just if, I was a bird, oh, how high I would fly.